Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download your Google slide presentation as a PNG image. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select all the slides you want to print, or just tap the Control key and select as many as you want here, or just select the individual one at a time, and select the File tab at the top left. Go down and select Download, and then select PNG Image, and give that a moment to download, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.